Jagannath Swami Nayan Patagami Bhavatumi. Jai Jagannath. Rath Yatra is also known as Rath Yatra in Hindi and Ratha Yatra in Odia. It is also known as Chariot Festival in English, as it is celebrated in honor of Lord Jagannath, who is one of the 10 incarnations of Lord Vishnu only, according to Hindu mythology. And the festival of Ratha Yatra is celebrated as an annual journey of Lord Jagannath along with his brother Balabhadra and sister Subhadra from his sacred temple of Puri, which is known as Jagannath temple, to visit his aunt temple, which is located at Gundicha and is known as Gundicha's temple. So the three deities are brought out of the temple in a very formal and elaborate procession, which is known as Pahandi. And after the Pahandi is over, the holy chariots are being swept out very formally and with a lots of ceremoniousness by the Gajapati of Puri. And now Jagannath is in rest for 1 week after reaching to his aunt's abode, or after reaching to the Gundicha temple. Now the worshippers will pay their tribute, will pay their obeisance and make their offering of food to him for a whole week now. And the Punna Jatra, which is also known as Bahuda Jatra, when the deities will return to their own temple, to their own sacred temple. This process is known as Bahuda Jatra or Punna Jatra. Now the Rath Yatra festival is a 9-day period in which the devotees are engaged in worshipping their gods, singing, dancing, preparing good foods for them, and Brahmans are fed with bhojan, and poor peoples are given alms, and charity works are being done during this time. And as I already mentioned, this is a chariot festival. 3 separate or individual chariots are there for all the 3 deities with very unique structures and technical design specifications. Now Nandi Ghosha is the name of the chariot of Lord Jagannath, having 18 wheels, and Taladhwaja is the name of Balabhadra's chariot, having 16 wheels, which is smaller than as compared to Lord Jagannath's chariot. And last comes Devadalana, which is the name of the chariot of Subhadra, having 14 wheels, the smallest of all. Now, as per the religious directions and established cultural practices, the idols and the chariots are made up of very specific kind of woods, which are refurbished every 12 years, after every 12 years, and are replaced by the new ones and are replaced by new creations. Visit there Maushima after recovering from the illness, or after recovering from 7 days fever. And this Ratha Jatra signifies a journey through life with our family members. The emergence of God from the temple is a symbol of his presence among ordinary man and woman. It is a kind of lesson that God gives us, that God is present in our heart and mind and is manifested among us only. And therefore we should just respect, we should just honor each and everybody. The pulling of the divine chariot by congregations and gathering of devotees signifies the unity force of human beings, and it illustrates that how the power of God can be transmitted to men, and how by the collectiveness of human efforts can make the human rich God. It also instills the value of unity, plurality, brotherhood, sisterhood, and love, affection on earth. And now it is a kind of time of joy, feasting, merrymaking, and devotion. Many sweet dishes are made during this time, like Pora Pitha, which is made in Odisha during this Jagannath Ratha Jatra, is a very famous sweet dish, and I do enjoy eating very much. It is a kind of like a pen cake which is made specially for Ratha Jatra, for offering it to God. This time the air is filled with total festivity and peace in the hearts of each man and woman. And this festival is like an example of unity and diversity in our incredible India. So let us just celebrate Ratha Jatra this year with a lots of enthusiasm, staying in our home, not going out, but showing a lots of enthusiasm. Is an ocean of mercy and as beautiful as a row of blackish rain clouds. He is the stairhouse of bliss for Lakshmi and Saraswati, and his face resembles a spotless full-blown lotus. The best of demigods and sages worship him, and the Upanishads sing his glories. May that Jagannath Swami be the object of my vision. Ratha Jatra and Bahuda Jatra with my warm regards.